Cozen saws offer a broad selection of semi-automatic saws and in a variety of cutting capacities and styles. With saws in dual column, scissor style, and tilt frame designs, Cozen's semi-automatic series offer solutions for both straight cuts and miter cutting and are able to achieve cutting capacities of up to 80 inches. The SH4030 is one of Cozen's larger capacity, entry-level semi-automatic scissor-style band saws. The saw's hydraulic cylinder and precision ground hinge support allow for a more rigid cut and help provide less stress on the blade with its scissor-style movement. For a round cutting capacity of 12 inches and a rectangular capacity of 12 inches high by 15.7 inches wide, the saw offers the added benefits expected from a larger capacity machine, but still in a relatively small footprint. At a little over 2,600 pounds, the SH4030 comes equipped with an 1.25-inch blade, a 5-horsepower blade motor, and a list of optional accessories which can meet the needs of any small to medium-sized job shop or cutting house.